Hello all, we are into our sixth case discussion now. Today's case is about a 52-year-old woman who is an AIDS patient. She comes to a physician with difficulty breathing. She has experienced slowly worsening dry cough and dyspnea for approximately the past week. Her most recent CD4 plus cell count is 175 cells per millimeter cube. In the office, her oxygen saturation is 92%, and the patient says that she is not currently taking any medications because she is tired of taking pills. And an X-ray is also shown in the figure. Now in this case, we have to actually concentrate on the diagnosis, that is AIDS, and the present history of difficulty breathing and dry cough. CD4 count is 175, that is less than 200, and oxygen saturation is 92, which is less, and the X-ray of the patient showing bilateral infiltrates as well as ground glass appearance. Yes, from this X-ray itself, many would have come to the conclusion, and the CD4 count also adds up to the diagnosis. This is actually an opportunistic infection in AIDS patients. Yes, it is Pneumocystis jirovecii pneumonia. This organism was previously called as Pneumocystis carinii also, so some textbooks also mention it in that name. The organism was previously said to be a parasite, but now scientists have concluded that it comes under fungus species, and it exists in two forms. That is, in environment we can see it as cyst form, and in humans it exists as both cyst and trophozoite form. The pathogenesis is that from the environment the cyst is inhaled by the humans, and in lungs it is transformed to the trophozoite form, which in the lungs will induce inflammatory responses, bringing up recruitment of plasma cells, resulting in frothy exudates filling the alveoli. This pneumonia is also called as plasma cell pneumonia hence. So the diagnosis, the specimens would be sputum or bronchoalveolar lavage or lung biopsy. This organism is actually not cultivable, but on GMS, that is Gomori-methylene silver staining, which is a specific staining method for this. In that, as shown in this figure, you can see this organism has crushed ping pong balls. These are actually the cyst of this organism with the green background. This has been asked as a picture-based question in many exams. And the treatment includes clotrimazole, which is usually given for 14 days in non-HIV patients and 21 days in HIV patients. This clotrimazole or dapsone is also given not only after the diagnosis of pneumonia, but it is also given as prophylaxis for patients of AIDS having CD4 count less than 200. Now in the X-ray, as we saw in the question, it is actually showing a ground glass appearance with bilateral infiltrates, and the hypoxia will be out of proportion to the radiological findings always. And in some cases, steroids are added as adjunctives to prevent worse respiratory status due to the inflammatory response induced by the treatment as such. So that's all for today's discussion. Stay tuned for next discussion. Thank you.